Okay, hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking just a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And I was just thinking that, man, summer is gone. And, and so it's time for me to really get back and to start doing some work. Although summer was over September the 22nd, 2021 this year. And we're talking about this year, of course, but, we're in the fall, right? And so now it's really time to, get like a squirrel. I have a lot of squirrels around where I live, and they're, picking up, nuts and gathering all kinds of things, getting ready for, the rest of the fall period and the winter. And so that's kind of what I began to do as well, to get back into my office and start putting out some more videos. And, the last time I did a video, I was actually sharing this wonderful program. It's a instant pay $50 program, make money online system. Okay. And so if that's what you're looking for, then I do have some information I want to share with you. All right. And as you can see, it says great online business pays you $50 instantly over and over again. Make money online now. Okay. And so this really is a great system. And what I like about this system is that, there's really no admin fee. There's no monthly fee. Okay. And then I just love the idea of instant direct pay, because you can build yourself up to the point where you're actually getting paid on a daily basis, instantly, daily, direct. Okay. Yeah, it's going to take a little work to do that, but it's just sharing the information with people. And when you sign up with me, you're going to get my advertising resources. You're also going to get and you could be a part of this, or you could not be a part of this, but we have a motivational some motivational information, should I say, that I'll send out on a weekly basis, that will and it's going to have some how to do some email marketing, some business tips, but also motivation. Sometimes we need to be motivated, inspired, encouraged to keep going, in building an online business, okay, or making money online, however we wish to define it, okay. But with that being said, I want to draw your attention here. It says, watch the short 3-minute video. And that's going to be on the page that I'm going to share with you in just a moment. Watch the 3-minute video to get started earning, look at this, $50 payments to your Cash App, okay, to your Google Pay, to your Zelle, or your Stripe. Whatever payment system you want to use, you can use it with this system, okay. There's no experience needed. It's a super simple system, okay. This is converting like crazy, all right, and make as many $50 payments as you want. Actually, that should be receive as many $50 payments as you want, okay. Just for a week, okay, will give you an extra $800 a month, okay. So you can play around with the figures, and you can actually see how much you can earn in a month, okay, if you do such and such, okay. There's no website needed. That's the other thing I like about this program, is there's no website needed. And we have a powerful marketing web page that you'll be able to use, okay. And again, top advertising resources, and you can also sign up for my motivational business tips, and that's optional, but it's free. It goes along with your $50 payment. That's something that I do myself for people that sign up with me, okay. But I want to show you this real quick, and then I do have a bonus product for you as well, okay. So stay with me just for the next few moments real quick, okay. Okay, real quick. Okay, all you need is this page that you're looking at right now, okay, and you can get paid. And as you can see, Currently, I'm using Google Pay for payment, Cash App, or Zelle. And I'll probably add one or two more, but that's a good start. Okay. Um, Here's that video, that 3-minute video that we talked about. Okay. Discover how to turn this page into your page that generates direct $50 payments to you. Okay. And if you will look here for me, you'll notice you're going to get 5 resale rights. Okay. You'll receive a copy of this web page that we're looking at right here, a reseller license, and you'll have those direct payments that you'll be able to receive direct to you, daily to you, however you decide you're going to work this. Okay, but it's going to work for you. All right. And a couple of other things I want to share with you before I leave this page. But let's do this. Let's go. Yeah. You'll just, okay. Real simple page, but it's a page that is working. Okay. Now, you receive these 5 products today with full master resale rights. Let's go through them real quickly. Email list secrets. A complete 12-part step-by-step email marketing crash course. Okay. That's product number 1. Product number 2 is Evergreen Internet Profits, a step-by-step blueprint to building an internet business that will generate everlasting passive profits. Okay. And let's move down the line. Okay. Side Hustle Secrets, the step-by-step blueprint to starting a profitable side hustle. Okay. And Social Traffic Rush, the 10-part course to getting a rush of targeted traffic from social media. And last but certainly not least, your first membership site, how to start your first membership site that generates recurring income. Okay. So that's pretty much the page. Okay. So now let me just share this bonus information with you real quick. Okay. Now you're actually, as a bonus, okay, you're actually going to get a handful of free information. Okay. And gosh, this is exciting stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up one of these products for you so we can take a look at what it's all about. Okay. Okay. So here we are. Free download. Okay. 47 little known social media marketing hacks to effortlessly, can't talk today, to effortlessly build a strong following starting today. Okay. Discover 3 simple things that all social media users are highly attracted to and how you can copy and paste them into your post for more traffic. See how to use the fill in the blank post title trick to attract even more people to your post. We'll even give you a proven example to model off. Okay. Discover one super effective sales technique that doesn't involve the hard sell. Okay. So there's tons of information. Okay. And as you can see, you're going to get a link where you can click here to download the special report. And guess what? This is a free special report and no credit card is required. Okay. Okay, there you have it. Gosh, $50, man. It's going to bring you a great business opportunity that you can get started in. Gosh, as quickly as today or tomorrow. Okay, when we get the information out to you. But there you have it. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. What I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video so that you can get started in this instant pay $50 program today. Are you ready to make money online? Then go ahead and get started. Also, there will be a bonus link, I believe. Look for it, and I might decide to put that in the description area of this video as well. Okay, so there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.